Okay, yes. Katie, can you talk a little bit? Can you say mama?
Mama.
Dada? Say dada.
Dada.
Say Emily.
Emily.
Can you say grandma? Grandpa?
Papa.
What about Nana?
Nana.
Say pa?
Pa.
Can you say more please?
Please.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
What does a duck say?
Cat, cat.
What is a pig? Shh. What's a pig say?
Oink.
Hold on. Oh.
Okay.
Oink oink. What does a sheep say?
Bah.
Okay. What does a horse say?
Nana.
What does a chicken say?
Nana.
Katie, can you say I love you, Mama?
I love you.
Say I love you, Mama. Come on, Katie. Can you try and say it for Mommy one more time? Can you say I love you, Mama?
Camera.
No, you can't touch the camera. Can you say I love you, Mama? Oh.